Bodhgaya, the one who, for 2,500 years, people have considered to be the savior, the liberator, the conqueror of suffering, meditated here, struggled through the battle against himself, and triumphed. Here, after having found the path of life beyond all births and all deaths, Gautama the Buddha decided to set the wheel of the doctrine into motion and to give man the teaching of the noble truths which embodies the true vision of what is, and also to teach about the path that leads from darkness to light, from illusion to truth, from death to eternity. His message: everything is ephemeral, ceaselessly changing. Joy never exists without suffering, and nothing, nobody, nor you nor I have an identity that is autonomous or permanent. Here, beneath a tree like this one, the noble prince who had given up the throne, his wife, his beloved son, and who had become a monk to free himself and to free other beings from all pain and suffering. Here, Gautama, the Muni, the ascetic from the Sakya family, on the morning that followed a night that will be blessed forever, became Buddha, the enlightened one, the awakened one, the perfect one. Beyond the Dalai Lama's two masters, beyond these two important dignitaries of the Tibetan Buddhist sect of the Yellow Hats, these prosternations and offerings are addressed to the eternal body of the Buddha. They are symbols of the only true offering, that of oneself. After 2,500 years of fervent faith, will people still prostrate themselves for much longer before the three Buddhist refuges? The Buddha, the Savior, the teaching, the way of right living, and the Sangha, the communion of sages and the faithful. Not far from Bodhgaya is Vulture's Peak at Rajgir, the important high place for Mahayana Buddhists. For they say that Buddha lived on this mountain for 15 years and gave the teaching that completes that of the Hinayana or small vehicle. This is the foundation of one of the most well-known and important sacred texts of mankind, the Prajnaparamita, the perfection of wisdom, the beyond wisdom. Here, the Buddha gave the great secret to the world. Everything, all beings, all incidents, everything that happens, whether